Hello, I'm Kenneth Berry, and today I would like to speak to you about trains and computers and how economically it is to use them when shipping goods. Today, America has the most affordable rail system in the world, and the rail system is able to save the consumer billions of dollars each year. Currently, trains transport 43% of all goods shipped in the United States, according to a report by the Association of American Railroads in June 2012. The cost effectiveness of American freight railroads. The average rail customer can ship more freight for the same price as 30 years ago due to the huge productivity of the railroads. Using intermodal shipping rather than shipping by truck also helps with the environment and gives cleaner air. I can speak personally about how shipping by rail is more economical because I have done research on the topic, and also I've been an employee of the railroad for the last 18 years. Using trains with computer technology is the most economical way to ship goods. Today I will speak on how trains and technology are used to ship these goods in a more economical and efficient way. First, I'd like to speak about how trains are the most economical and efficient way to transport goods. In order to ship freight more economically and efficiently, intermodal shipping began. Intermodal shipping allows railroads, ocean liners, truck companies, and consumers to be able to move freight more efficiently by using all modes of transportation. In intermodal shipping, freight containers are used so that goods do not have to be loaded and unloaded from trucks and regular rail cars, according to the Association of Railroads 2012, the cost effectiveness of America's railroads. The containers are moved from ship to train and then truck. These containers can be double stacked on trains with special rail cars that have been produced, therefore allowing a train to transport more containers than trucks. Using intermodal shipping rather than shipping by truck helps the environment to have clean air, according to a report by Wilbur Smith Associates 2011 Indiana State Rail Plan. In March of 2008, the EPA issued strict new locomotive guidelines that Class 1 railroads had to follow. These standards will help to reduce 90% of the particulate matter emissions that is created by the railroad. A good example of this is the CSX's railroad, who began to use genset locomotives in their yard operations. According to the CSX and also the Wilbur Smith Associates 2011 Indiana State Rail Plan. Railroads were one of the first industries to use computer technology. Computers are used to keep track of the location of workers, also to schedule trains, and to schedule freight movement and supply to the consumer and those businesses that order via rail. Computer dispatch centers that are centralized are used to not only keep up with the movement of trains, but to make sure that the communication between the dispatcher and the engineer and conductor on those trains, the brake systems, and the computers on the trains are used in the appropriate way to ensure the safety and compliance at all levels of rail movement. This was in a report by C.A. Brabea, 2012, Computers in Railways. Positive Train Control, PTC, is an integrated system that controls overall movements of trains. This system also works the same as the autopilot on an airplane. It enables trains to move more efficiently and more effectively. It also allows for a safer movement of those trains. The Federal Railroad Administration has mandated that all Class 1 railroads have PTC in place by 2016. In review, by using intermodal shipping, goods are transported more economically and efficiently. Computers and technology have improved the efficiency of transporting goods by train. Transporting freight via the railroad and shipping goods quickly and more economically. It also helps the environment by improving air quality, relieving highway congestion, and is more energy efficient. Thank you.